Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I do not know what to play. I'm just gonna play RAGDOLL engine again. I don't like either game. It's a bit boring. Not the explosionary again. Wait, where? Why am I at the very top? Me, 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 me. Whoa, whoa, oh my, that's so cool, explosionary. No thanks. I didn't want it anyways. Me, 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 me. Or should I use this one? I want this one, I want this one! I want this one! Oh, fine, I got a unicorn. Hey, Uni, come here. Wee. Explosionary. I want... No, thanks. Woo! We wanna get that? Uni, you're a bit stuck. Oh no. Explosionary. I wanna. Hey, I was gonna try that first. Get ready, steady, go! I didn't press the doll button. Oh, yeah! Woohoo! I did it. Okay. Let me use this as so I can just push people around. Hey, people, wanna push? Hey! Unfair! Push you. I wanna push. I could be hurt. I wanna be hurt. I don't wanna. Just wanna try it. I wanna try it. You, I look no stuff. Oh, I look so cute. One of them are like mine. Oh, he got. Her name. Oh, where am I? I'm stuck. Let me see. Where's me? Oh, I also want to be the awesomest one. Oh. Me. No, my princess! I didn't press doll anyways. Oh my. No. Oh, I did the most. I did the first one. I mean the far. Nah. Be more exterminated to the princess. Begins. Oh my goodness, there's people. Oh, I want to. Oh, he's a noob. I want to push her. Bleh, I'm dead. No, I'm just kidding. So guys, bye-bye. That's only it. Sorry, guys.